I'm Margie Lodwick with the U.S. Fish and Wildlife Service at Leavenworth National Fish Hatchery. Today we are going to talk about water quality. What is water quality? How can we measure it? And why do we want to learn about the qualities of water in the world around us? Today we'll try to answer all of these questions. So what is water quality? Go ahead and take a couple minutes to write about what you think when you hear the words water quality. If you need more time to write your ideas, you can pause the video and press play when you're ready to continue. Water quality is the chemical, physical, and biological characteristics of water. Think about some of the biological features we can find in water. Animals, plants, and microorganisms living in water are biological. Some animals and plants are indicators for a healthy ecosystem and clean water. Others are indicators for an unhealthy ecosystem and dirty water. Some microorganisms, like bacteria and viruses, can make us sick if they are in the water we drink. What physical features can we measure in water? A really important one is temperature. It determines what biological organisms can survive and thrive or suffer and die. It also indirectly influences other water quality factors, like dissolved oxygen and pH. Another physical quality of water we can measure is turbidity. Have you heard that word before? Turbidity is basically how muddy or murky the water is. Water with high turbidity is very clouded or murky, and not much light can get through. Water with low turbidity is clear and easy to see through. Let's talk about chemical features in water quality. What are some of the chemical features that we can measure? I've already mentioned two of them, pH and dissolved oxygen. We can also measure how much of chemical substances are in water. Things like naturally occurring metals and nutrients, and not so natural things like chemical contaminants. Today we will cover 3 lessons. The first will be all about pH. What is it, why it changes, and how it can impact ecosystems. And you will get to do an experiment in your own kitchen to make a pH indicator. The second lesson will look at some other chemical and physical water quality properties that can affect stream health, and we will test different water samples. For the third lesson, you will analyze the ways that different chemical pollutants in water can impact the fish in our ecosystems, like salmon. At the end of this video, take a few minutes to answer the questions in part 1 of your worksheet. Then continue with the second video, testing pH at home.